We have another calendar from Sephora. Yes, this is their beauty must-haves calendar. Oh, I guess if you don't got this, you don't got it, right? According to Sephora. I think everyone is entitled to their own opinion. That's good. Let's see what we got. We have a oat cleansing balm, both for cleansing your skin and for removing makeup. And this is from the In Key list. Never heard of this brand before. Apparently, this is something that can be used morning and night. Ooh, oat cleanser. That sounds interesting. Yes, I would like to think that it would be calming to your skin because of the oatness of it. I don't know if oatness is a word, but that's my thought. I don't know how well it's picking up on camera. This poor little guy was smushed in to the calendar. We did manage to pry it out. This is from Givenchy. Ooh, we're getting bougie over here if that's Givenchy. Yeah, we're getting bougie. Cute little top to it. And when you bring it up, it is a nice pale pink. I'm not sure if this is a lipstick or a lip balm, yet in either way, that color can't be beat. Nice shade. From what we are seeing via the grapevine, Charlotte Tilbury and her Pillow Talk are making the rounds this season. Yes, we have a nice lip liner that could also double as a lipstick and could go nicely with the lip product we just showed you. So interesting to be able to get to try this one. I don't know. I think I've tried an eyeshadow. I don't know if I've tried any lip products from this brand. Speaking of lip products, we have a balm from Ole Henriksen. This is the Pout Preserve Peptide Lip Treatment. And I admit, I took a little sniff. It smells wonderful. A fruity scent to it. So I look forward to giving this one a try. And for the most part, I would say looking at it through the ring light, it's filled up to about there. So I think that's a pretty good size amount. It says that it is 0.4 fluid ounces. We have a perfume from Gucci. Ah, we're getting more bougie over here. This is a floral perfume. I can smell it through the container. I can tell that it's probably a little bit strong for my preference, yet nice to see a good variety of brands in this calendar. The ones you must have, at least by Sephora standards. It just says Gucci Flora on it. It doesn't give any other type of name, but it has a floral scent and then some. From Urban Decay, we have the All-Nighter Setting Spray. This has been around in advent calendars and subscription boxes for, I think, forever. It is nice to see it. Yeah, I would maybe like it in a full size, yet sometimes these smaller sizes come in handy for travel, so I can't knock these smaller sizes completely. This is an eye serum from The Ordinary. Now, I use their toner as something in place sometimes of a deodorant, at the risk of TMI, during the hotter weather when things, well, are a little moist and stinky in the pit area. I've not tried the eye serum, so this ought to be interesting. Multi-peptide eye serum. What in the Oh! It said cream skin on the front of this, but I could tell that it was in liquid form, which had me a little perplexed. Apparently, this is a toner moisturizer from Laneige. I was concerned that the product had turned liquidy. Oh, that would not have been good. Glad to see that it is supposed to be a liquid. And does this have 50 milliliters? Good old Milk Makeup is still making the rounds. Yes, it is. With their bronzer, which I don't know if it will, there we go, without blinding everybody. I've gone through so many of these that I can tell you right now, this is going into the giveaway / find a future home box. Use it as a Christmas gift. I've gone through so many of these. I'm ready to move on and try some different products. I think we could have found something other than Milk Makeup, Sephora. I really do. From Rare Beauty, we have a mascara. It says it is in black. It's probably a deluxe sample size. I'm not going to open it up because I don't want to have 8,000 mascaras open at once, but this could be interesting to try. I don't think I've ever tried her brand before. We have something from Lancome. Are we continuing to be bougie? Back in the day, this would have been a bougie brand. I don't know. Is it still bougie? This is another mascara. So interesting that they put 2 mascaras in here. I guess they couldn't make up their mind which one was better. I am not a big perfume person. However, I have discovered that commodity milk is something I like. Now, I will say this is their Milk Plus, and on the side it indicates that it is bold. So we shall see what I really think of this. But this is definitely a nice surprise for me in this calendar. Oh, I want to try it too. Okay, we'll give you a spritz. Okay. In this half of the calendar, there was a little door that said bonus. And in that little door was something from Glow Recipe, Watermelon Glow, Niacinamide Hue Drops, as opposed to Dew Drops, Hue Drops. And there she is in all of her glory. I'm curious to try this. When I tried the watermelon drops, they were just too sticky for my preference. I am curious to see if this version is better or different, at least in my opinion. Oh, I want to try it too. I don't know if you really need hue drops, but we'll talk about it. Okay. In this half of the Advent calendar from Sephora, Anne decided that her 2 favorites were the Ole Henriksen lip product and the commodity milk perfume. What did you see that you liked? Let me know in the comments down below. Did you get this calendar? I want to know all the details because I'm nosy. And now, moving right along with the unboxing of this 24-day calendar and its 2 bonus doors. In the second half of the calendar, we get from Pat McGrath Labs in Divine Rose a blusher. And I just love the embossing on this one. Very nice. We have something in English Pear and Sweet Pea. This is from Jo Malone. It is a cologne. I can get a sniff through the container, and I'm trying to decide if this is going to be something for me or something that I use as a gift. From Tatcha, we have the Dewy Skin Cream. But don't let the size of the container fool you. Yeah, I took the top off to see, and she's not exactly full to the top. That's unfortunate. I mean, I know they're trying to just give you a sample, but really? In an expensive advent calendar? From Jisoo, we have a honey-infused hair oil. This does seem to be making the rounds this season in a variety of sizes. This, I'm presuming, is a deluxe sample, maybe even just a sample. I've also seen it floating around in larger sizes. We'll be interested to try it in a small sample size and see what I think. From Tarte, we have a lip plumper. And this is the shade it is in. I'm not going to roll it up because I'm hearing via the grapevine that some of these types of containers, you roll them up and then you can't roll them back down. Amika gives us a hair mask. Yes, this is something you can put onto your hair in the shower, leave it on while you do whatever else you need to take care of in there, and then rinse it out. This is called Soul Food Nourishing Mask, and it is 30 milliliters. From Dr. Dennis Gross, we have a peeling product, the Universal Daily Peel. I tried this once a long time ago. I got a one-use sample, maybe it was a two-use sample. It didn't set too well with my sensitive skin. So most likely I will be passing this along. This is 5 treatments though. So at least there's enough in here to see if it really does anything for you. It just was too much for my sensitive skin. From Anastasia Beverly Hills, ooh, more bougie, we have a clear brow gel. This looks like a sample, or at least a deluxe sample. I know it's something I'm not going to use, so this will be passed along. From Laura Mercier, we have a translucent setting powder. I might give this one a try since it is a small size. A lot of times these aggravate my allergies. I don't know if they bother anyone else's allergies out there, but a lot of times these will bother my allergies. But if it's a small size like this, I'm willing to give it a try rather than opening up a full-size product, decide I'm allergic to it, and then it's wasted. We have a lactic acid treatment, Good Genes from Sunday Riley. Oh, that is one of my favorite brands. I like to use that one. It works well on the hoof and on other places too. And it works good on Anne's skin. I am finding that Sol de Janeiro is definitely making the rounds this season. I've got it in some different calendars that I'm seeing. I've seen it a lot on other people's channels. They're definitely pushing hard and making the rounds this season. I'm not sure about this scent. This one might be a little too perfumey for me, but they're definitely making the rounds. It indicates, in tiny, tiny print, Perfume Mist, number 59. Well, that tells you a lot. I am very much excited to get this product from Color Wow Dream Coat. Anne uses this a lot. Yes, I really enjoy this. This helps prolong my color, and my hair has never felt so soft after using this product. You need to use, if you're not familiar with it, you need to use your blow dryer after you spray this on. You need to use a brush and a blow dryer to help the product take effect and work its magic. But I am definitely excited to get this one. And that brings us to day 25 already. Yes, Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench Hyaluronic Cloud Cream Hydrating Moisturizer. I wish this would have been a full size. It ain't. I will admit, in having tried some of these sample sizes before, there's more in here than you think there is. It does last longer, but still. I really think they could have sprung for, if not a full size, something bigger than 0.35 fluid ounces. But wait, there's a big bonus door on this side of the calendar. What's in it? Hopefully something good. Please tell me it's something good. Well, uh-oh. It wouldn't be Sephora if they didn't somewhere give us a beauty blender. Seriously? That's the big bonus item? Yep. And this thing is the size of the tip of my finger. Help me out here, Fatima. It's the size of my thumbnail. Granted, they do expand in water and all that kind of stuff, but for a big bonus item, I guess I couldn't do any better. I guess not, but I wish they would have. My two favorites, without trying to blind everybody here, from this half of the calendar are the Pat McGrath Rose Blush and the Color Wow hair product. How about you? What did you see that you liked? Have you tried any of these? Did you get this calendar? What was your favorite? Let me know. I'm a nosy cowl. I want to know. Taking a quick look at the nitty-gritty, because that's what Anne likes to do. This was a $99 calendar. It was supposed to have a value of $366. We're kind of scratching our heads on that one. Yes, they had some nice products in there. I'm not going to knock that. What do you think? Did it have the value or not? By our calculations for the 25 items that were in here, and that does not include the 2 bonus items, at $99, that would put each item at $3.96. So for some of them, yeah, I might give you $3.96 for it. For some others, I don't know if they quite would equal $3.96. What do you think? Would you pay $3.96 for each item in here? Anyway, that was our opening unboxing review of the Sephora You Gotta Have These Advent Calendar. Thanks for watching today. Like, comment, subscribe, and notification bell, because we got all kinds of fun stuff going on this holiday season, and we don't want you to miss out.